How can I set up any Steam controller to my Steam website or the Steam application right now? For this, I will simply open my Steam in front of you, and on the home screen, you can see my profile option, the Steam main page option, and there is an option on the left top of the screen. You have to open the setting, and on the Steam setting menu, you have to go on the last fifth, that is controller. Here is an option to enable or disable many of the options or features related to the controller. You can simply edit the controller setting, whole controller setting from here, like enable Steam input for Switch Pro controllers, enable Steam input for generic controllers, turn off controllers when cutting big picture mode, ideal gamepad shutdown mode, Xbox extended feature support driver, the desktop layout, guide button code layout, and many more things from this. You can edit all the details from this menu, right from this menu. So now I will repeat that what you have to do is click on the left top of the screen, then go on the Steam settings, then click on the controller setting, then you can manage it. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel.